nicer if it's just one camera with everything you can use, but it's not always like that. But it's fine. Okay.
Can I just take a picture?
Yeah, I'm gonna ask him to take pictures as well.
Amazing.
So, and what I want to do,
But I hope I'm not going to say anything stupid. I'm so nervous.
No, don't be. Thank you so much. Thank you. Don't be nervous. Oh, next time add dress codes and stuff.
Yeah. So I have two modes. Either like full on travel or activewear.
Good evening. Hello, everyone. I got back a few hours ago from the studio and I made myself some food. I'm now going to eat. I have my food right here. I hope you can see it. So this is me trying to be conscious of what I'm eating and making sure that I make enough so I can eat probably the same meal 2-3 days in a row. Well, not in a row, but I'll have enough to eat for the next two days probably. So I'm gonna eat now, I'm gonna relax, and then I will pick up where I left off, which is all of the admin work, emailing, preparing for some stuff. I like to prepare for my week. So any emails that might need to be read first thing in the morning, I try to send all of that in the evening, Sunday evening. And I try to prepare all of the things that I need to do. So I have a few things on my to-do list. So I will be doing that this evening. But I just wanted to give you an update on where I stand with the day.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Amaru, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh, she mine. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah.
Hello, everyone. I just recorded myself, at least I thought I did, for like the last 20 minutes, and I've been chatting away, showing you all of my mood boards. And now I realized that I'd never pressed record. Anyway, I'm going to do this quickly because I've been chatting too much already. So plan is now I'm at the office space. I need to sort out everything I need to do for the photo shoot. I went to the studio yesterday. I recorded another episode, which is for season 2. However, I need to work out what I need to do for the photo shoot because I kind of want to launch the photo shoot first and then the first episode. But what I've done is I told everyone, I'm going to drop it on Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day is literally like 4 days away. And I still haven't done this photo shoot. So I kind of have to do it now. Like I have to upload the episode because I cannot go back on my word. But I am going to let my photographer know that I want to do it next week instead of tomorrow, because that was the plan, to do it tomorrow. But I've been working on a mood board, which I'm going to show you, where I have some kind of aesthetic in mind with mirrors, with other props. So then I can use that when it's done, and then hopefully people won't mind as much if I drop it a week later. So I'm going to show you now. So this is my mood board. So I have a bunch of pictures, product images, because I use that as a reference for like design and stuff. And some pictures of like different studio settings and like magazine covers, stuff like that, because I want to figure out what my aesthetic is going to be. I know that I'm going to use the brand colors anyway, like purple, pink colors, but it's going to be in a white studio, and I want it to be like a bit rough, but still like feminine and a bit minimal and dark. So this is going to be the mood board that I'll be sending to the photographer. And I found a designer who is happy to collaborate with me. So she's going to create or like redesign the logo. I already have a logo for the podcast, but I don't like it as much. So what I'm going to do is ask her to redesign it, and hopefully she can make some kind of motion graphic as well, so that I can put that on top of all of the episodes, YouTube episodes. So that's the plan. And what else? Basically, yeah, let me message the photographer. There's another mood board that I want to show you, so let me do that now. I've been still looking around for like other inspo. So this is some stuff that I'm just like scrolling through just to check what I can find, and if there's some kind of aesthetic that I like, I just add that, and then that will be my main reference when I'm shooting in the studio, hopefully next week. And I'm gonna braid my hair, and I think my hair braided looks nicer than what I have now. I'm a bit bored of my hair now like this, so I'm gonna braid my hair, and I'm gonna find myself some cute outfits, great props, and then we're gonna do this shoot. So I'm gonna quickly message her. In terms of the business, I need to find a venue because I still don't have a venue. So I need to chase a few companies that I reached out to a few weeks ago. So I'm going to do that, and I need to reach out to the dancers that all submitted their interest. They all submitted their videos. I need to get back to them and say whether or not they've been shortlisted. And I need to do social media promo for the event as well. I have so much stuff I need to do. I'm stressed already. But yeah, this is what I'm going to do for now. I will let you know how it goes. Hello everyone, it is the next day. I want to quickly go through the habit breakdown that I showed you in my first episode, just to show you the things that I've managed to keep up with. And if I really want to achieve my goals, I need to keep up with my habits. So in terms of finances, a weekly budget review, to be honest, I haven't done this, and I think I will start. Actually, I use a Excel document. So I might start doing that. I'm going to see whether or not these things are still realistic, because obviously I created this with the help of ChatGPT, but now that I am actually doing these things, I need to figure out if this is feasible for me. So weekly budget review, I need to start doing that. The financial education part, I haven't really done any financial education, which was like the investing and some other bits that I said that I was going to do in terms of finances. So I'm going to start doing that, but we'll see. I need to be honest. So, and then the income tracking, I do my income tracking like daily because I do receive notifications. So I see what's going in and what is going out. So that's fine. In terms of career and business, I've been consistently posting on TikTok. Like I've been on it. So I'm really happy with that. I've been on it with my podcast because I recorded an episode again, and I am now editing the second episode of season 1. So if you really want to listen to my podcast, please do. It will be out on Valentine's Day. That's the aim. So once it's out, I will put it in the description as well. But if you just want to go and look it up, it's called Creative Frequency. So that is happening, and I work on that weekly as well. And obviously YouTube, because I'm recording myself now. In terms of networking, I haven't done much networking this week. There will be a co-working day for founders tomorrow, so I will go to that one. And in terms of the business, I work on the business every day. In terms of personal development, I haven't picked up a book. However, I have bought a new book that I found out about on TikTok. And I'm really excited about reading that book. So I don't have it with me now since I'm at the office, but once I'm home, I'll be able to share that book. And yeah, in terms of podcasts, I've been listening to a few podcasts. So I will continue with that. Relationships, to be honest, I haven't really made any time. Actually, I haven't made any time for that. So yeah, I'm going to try and do that. And social community activities, I'm supposed to meet up with a few friends. So I will let you know if that actually happens. Health, I've been dancing, I've been going to my classes, I've been stretching, I've been working on my meal preps. So I can reduce my spending habits. So there's basically, I need to tell you this. I bought a few skincare products, which wasn't the plan. I wasn't supposed to, buy skincare products, but it's fine because I really like them and it was quite expensive. I wasn't supposed to buy any skincare products, but there was a Valentine's discount, so that's why I bought it. So kind of like treat. It's a treat for myself because I've been on it and I've been consistent, but yeah, that was not the plan, but it's fine. And then the mindset and attitude, I'm trying to stay positive, even though I feel like things are all over the place. I'm still working on my event for the business, and I'm still working on the podcast, and I'm still looking for work here and there. I actually found a vacancy that I thought was really interesting, and it's in the dance space, which is perfect. So I've applied for that role. Obviously, it's part-time because I want to continue with my own business. So yeah, that's it.
Plugged is the answer to the question, what if I could find my best friends in the grind? And we are here as founders building many different things, and a lot of what people are building in here is things that are going to change the world. They're going to transform industries, they're going to change the way that we work, the way that we live, and there is so much good that can come from that. And a lot of the time, instead of those things coming to market, founders find themselves burnt out, or they don't have access to the community or the support or the advice that they need to actually succeed and to get to that point. So this community is called Plugged. It's all about plugging in and plugging out. We plug in on days like these. We work together, we work hard. We run workshops like the one over here. And then we also plug out. So after this, we're gonna have a games night. We run house parties, we do all of that stuff. And it's all about providing a holistic environment where you can get everything you need to succeed in business, and you can find the friends and form the relationships that are required to survive the build and enjoy yourself whilst you're doing it. So yeah, we're trying to change the world and enjoy ourselves doing it. Just not much to ask for, but yeah, this is where you find your best friends in the grind. Come and work hard with people you love, and let's succeed together.
Nice.
All right.